There's a lot of potential for change in the market this week, and Kim, let's talk about that. What's going on?
Well, there's a lot happening in the market, but there's not a lot happening to prices. You look at the corn crop, we may be fixing to harvest a 14 billion bushel corn crop here in the United States. They're already cutting in extreme parts of southern the United States. You've got reports in Canada that they're fixing to harvest the biggest wheat crop in the last 20 years. That's going to bring some protein on the market to compete with ours. They're talking about a record canola crop in Canada. Reports this week said that Australia's crop is going to be below average, or the odds are it will be below average in less than the last couple of years. You just got a lot going on around the world that has the potential to impact price, but there's just no price movements. We've had that Kansas City Board of Trade December and September contracts moving in about a 20 to 25 cent price range since late July.
Okay, that is a lot to take in. How is the market reacting to all that?
Well, like we said, there's just not much happening. What I'm concerned about is looking at the Kansas City Board of Trade December contract that the market will be rolling to relatively quick. Mm-hmm. It's been probably twice the amount of time on the bottom part of that sideways movement as it has a top, and it's like a goat pounding against the wall. It just keeps hammering against that bottom, that support price down there, and it's leaving the indications, at least to me, that we might break through that. Next week, I think, is a very important time for that.
Okay, now you've always talked about the December price being about 7.25, and June price being around 6 or so. Are you staying with that?
Well, I still feel relatively comfortable with that $6 June of 2014 price. It may be slightly higher than that. The market's offering $6.50 to $6.60 for those forward contracts. But looking at December and that 7.25, I think I'm less certain of that than I was, say, last week or even 2 or 3 weeks ago, because of that Kansas City Board of Trade December contract hitting that low part and possibly breaking through it.
Okay, so as we move forward, what should producers be thinking about the 2014 crops?
Well, right now, I think they should just forget about price. I think they need to concentrate on producing a quality product, whatever it takes to do that. They need to manage their costs. That's where the biggest part of their profit's going to come through. And that doesn't mean cut back on the inputs. That means buy them smart, use them only if they needed use, make the investment wisely. I think they need to look at crop rotation, cleaning up the fields, either going with the clear field wheat to get the rye out, or rotate with canola. I think that it's managing costs and managing production is more important right now than what the price is going to do. I think price will take care of itself.
So basically, take care of the crop and let the price worry about itself later.
That's correct.
Okay, Kim Anderson, grain marketing specialist here at Oklahoma State University.